How to screen record on Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose, and if you want to screen record on your Android device, here's how. Method 1, you can use the built-in screen recorder. You simply need to swipe down from the top to open the quick settings, and you need to look for a screen recording if available. You simply need to tap it and you can adjust the settings and hit the start recording. So currently, as you can see that I have been using the screen recording and then the screen has been recording. In this way, you can screen record on your Android device. The next way is simply you can use a third-party application. For that, you can easily open Google Play Store and search for applications like A-Jet Screen Recorder or X Recorder and install it. Open the app, grant permissions, and then record. So if you wish to adjust the settings, you can easily go ahead and tap on settings, and you need to simply come across the additional settings options on your Android phone. Here you will see the option of screen recording. Select that, and here you can easily turn on the button for record system sound, or you can record the microphone sound as well. Here you can easily choose the definitions and the frame rate as well, and record front camera video or show screen touches and many more. So by adjusting the screen recording features, you can easily screen record on your Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.